We're talking about the doctor today. Calling a clinic, seeing a doctor, getting medicine.
Here's how it works. Chloe tells you what happens, then we explain all the difficult words. Ready? Let's start.
I wake up feeling terrible. My throat hurts. I can barely swallow. I can't even talk properly. I need to see a doctor. So I call a clinic.
Good morning, City Health Clinic.
Hi, I need to see a doctor today.
What's the problem?
My throat, it really hurts.
Okay, name and date of birth?
Chloe Adams, 15th March, 1995.
We have 2 p.m. today. Does that work?
Yes, perfect.
Do you have insurance?
Insurance? What?
Health insurance. Do you have it?
Oh, yes, I think so.
Bring your insurance card and ID.
Okay, thank you.
When you call a clinic, they ask what's the problem. Just say what hurts. My throat hurts or my stomach hurts. They ask for your name and date of birth. Answer clearly. Insurance. That's how you pay for health care. If you don't understand, say, "Can you repeat that?"
I arrive at the clinic. I go to reception.
Name?
Chloe Adams.
Insurance card?
Here.
Have a seat. The doctor will call you. Oh, one more thing. Please fill out this form.
Form?
Yes, your medical history, any past illnesses, current medications. Just write what you can.
Okay.
You'll hear this a lot. Medical history means past health problems. Current medications means medicine you take regularly.
I sit down. I wait. 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Nothing. My throat is killing me. I can't take this pain. I check my phone. Still nothing. I look at the clock on the wall. Time moves so slowly when you're in pain. I think maybe I should have gone to the ER, but it's too late now. I'm already here. Finally, a nurse comes out.
Chloe Adams?
Yes, that's me.
Follow me.
You'll hear this a lot. Follow me means come with me.
She takes me to a small room.
The doctor will be here soon.
I wait again. What's taking so long? Then the door opens. The doctor comes in.
Hello, I'm Dr. Harris. What seems to be the problem?
My throat. It hurts. A lot.
When did it start?
Last night.
Do you have a fever?
Fever? I'm not sure. I feel hot.
Okay, open your mouth. Say
Ah.
Your throat is very red. You have an infection. Are you taking any medicine?
No.
Any allergies?
Allergies? Yes, I'm allergic to penicillin.
Okay, I'll give you something else. Here's a prescription. Take this to the pharmacy. 2 tablets twice a day, with food.
Twice a day? Okay. Thank you.
What seems to be the problem means why are you here? Just say what hurts.
When did it start? Tell them when it began. Yesterday or last night or 2 days ago.
Do you have a fever? Fever means your body is too hot when you're sick. If you're not sure, say, I feel hot.
This one is really useful. Any allergies. If you're allergic to medicine or food, you have to say it. I'm allergic to penicillin.
Prescription. That's the paper from the doctor. You take it to the pharmacy and they give you medicine.
Twice a day means 2 times, morning and evening. With food means eat something first, then take the pill. I leave the doctor. I go to a pharmacy down the street. I give them the prescription.
This will be ready in 5 minutes.
I wait. 5 minutes feels like forever. Finally.
Here you go, 2 tablets twice a day with food, understand?
Yes, thank you. How much?
$20.
Can I pay by card?
Yes.
I pay. I go home. I read the box. Take 2 tablets twice daily with food. Okay, I eat something. I take 2 tablets. But 2 hours later, I feel strange. My skin is itchy. I look at my arms, red spots everywhere. What? I panic a little. Is this bad? Should I go to the hospital right now? I'm not sure. I take a photo of my arms with my phone. Then I decide to call the clinic first. Maybe they can tell me what to do. I call the clinic.
City Health Clinic?
Hi, I saw Dr. Harris today. He gave me medicine, but now I have red spots on my skin. I'm really worried.
Red spots? That sounds like an allergic reaction. Can you come back now?
Now? Yes. Okay.
Come immediately. It's important.
Listen, if something goes wrong after taking medicine, call the clinic right away. Say, I took the medicine and now I have red spots, or whatever the problem is.
I rush back to the clinic. Dr. Harris sees me immediately.
Show me your arms. Oh, you're having an allergic reaction. Did you take the medicine I gave you?
Yes. 2 tablets.
Stop taking it immediately. I'll give you a different medicine. And take this antihistamine. It will help with the itching and the red spots.
Antihistamine? What's that?
Medicine for allergies. Take 1 tablet now. The red spots will go away soon.
Okay, thank you.
If it gets worse, if you have trouble breathing, go to the ER immediately.
The ER?
Emergency room at the hospital.
Okay.
Pay attention to this. Allergic reaction means your body doesn't like the medicine. You might get red spots, itching, swelling. If this happens, call the clinic or go to the hospital.
ER is emergency room. That's the emergency department at the hospital.
Antihistamine is medicine for allergies. It helps with itching and red spots.
I take the antihistamine. I throw away the first medicine. I go home and rest. The next day, the red spots are gone. My throat feels much better.
Okay, let's practice the key phrases together.
You need to call a clinic. What do you say?
I need to see a doctor today.
You're at the doctor. He asks what's wrong. What do you say?
My throat hurts or my stomach hurts.
He asks when it started. What do you say?
Yesterday or last night.
He asks about allergies. What do you say?
I'm allergic to penicillin or no allergies.
You're at the pharmacy. What do you say?
I have a prescription.
You don't understand something. What do you say?
Can you repeat that? Or what does that mean?
Something goes wrong with your medicine. What do you do?
I took the medicine and now I have red spots.
It's a serious emergency. Where do you go?
The ER, emergency room.
Next episode, the hotel.
See you there.